for depreciation. Let's go there. We have the assets type or the name of the assets. We have a motor vehicle, machinery, as well as fixtures. And in calculating depreciation, we know that we have the cost, we have the scrap value, as well as the balance or the net book value. Now let's take a look at our workbook. We have three assets here, and the cost of the first one is 2 million. So you can impute the cost of the asset as 2 million as B3. Yeah, go to page 9, please. Module 2, task 1, depreciation calculations. So impute the 2 million, the cost of the assets. Yesterday we were taught on how to format our Excel worksheets.